Something is changing the way we do things, making our lives more simple with advanced technology, compatibility, and versatility. The key has evolved. With Kivo from Kwikset, now your smartphone is your key. So you have one less thing to worry about. It's making our lives a little better, smarter, evolving to fit your lifestyle. No smartphone? No problem. With Kivo's included key fob, just touch to open. Kivo has been engineered to maximize security.
That is awesome.
I think it's brilliant.
Wow! Absolutely fantastic, like I said before.
Yeah, get in there straight away.
I would come back time and time again.
You've been told never to go alone at night, but you do it anyway, unaware you're being watched, and your only means of defense could be your smartphone case. Introducing Yellow Jacket, a rechargeable battery pack and stun gun smartphone case. Yellow Jacket's intuitive design helps protect your phone and your life. Now presenting our new iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S model, with new features including a detachable stun gun pack, higher voltage, and ambidextrous triggers.
Turbo Spoke, the bicycle exhaust system. Hey, wouldn't it be awesome if you could make your bike look and sound like this? Well, now you can with Turbo Spoke. Turbo Spoke fits to any kind of bike and makes it look and sound like a real motorbike. Turbo Spoke includes everything to totally transform your bike. It fits in just 5 minutes and comes with 15 custom stickers. There's no need for batteries because the sound comes from the motor card. Each kit contains 3 cards for 3 different sounds. The megaphone exhaust pipe not only looks cool, it really amplifies the sound.